What's up, guys? Just picked up a new Google Nexus 7 32 gig by Google. I just said Google. Anyway, made by Asus, obviously, but the Nexus 7's been out for a while in 8 gig and 16 gig configurations, but the 32 gig was set to be announced today on the 29th, and the event was, the Google event was in New York, and it got canceled because of Hurricane Sandy. So anyway, there is the tablet. It's all of its packaging, little boxo stuff, all of the chargers or charger accessories. You see the Asus logo. Yeah, USB cable, instructions, who needs those? Quick start, oh no, that was warranty, my bad. And then the quick start guide. So that's all that's in this box, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off, what's this? Let's see. There it is. And let's see. As you know, probably already know, this is a 7-inch tablet, and I've got my iPad 2 here. You can kind of see the size difference. But let's see if I can get this thing turned on. There we go. This should be pretty much the exact same Nexus 7, except it's got 32 gigs of, it's got a 32 gig hard drive. So, let's see, English, Wi-Fi network. Alright, let's just skip all this. Okay, so we'll go to, oh wait, here. Here are, let's see, startup stuff, settings, and storage. And you can see it's actually 28.17 gigabytes. So there you go. This is the 32 gig Nexus 7. Hopefully the light, there we go, you can kind of see it. So 32 gig Nexus 7 by Google, actually made by Asus. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Take it easy.